Jack the Mechanic Man. So today I'm gonna be talking about what's the number one thing that mechanics use. They use brake cleaner. They use that for not only brakes, but they'll use it to clean up anything. And most of the times, if your brakes or you hear a squeaky noise from your brakes area, sometimes there's a lot of like dirt and grime on it, and so or like other things that may go into it. If you actually clean it, and it will actually solve that issue of the sound. If especially if you like grab the studs and start like shaking it and trying to hear the squeaky noise, and if it goes away, then it's good. But if your brake pads are low or anything else that may factor into it, like your rotors might look off or is old, then most likely that's not going to help you. But yeah, pretty much, I mean, brake cleaner, the most essential tool. And yeah, well, not tool, but the most essential thing that mechanics need to have always. Anyways, Jack the Mechanic Man signing off. Have a nice day, y'all.